Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. First I will create the logo, and then I will put it inside the PSD Mockup for good presentation. So let's get started. Choose Line tool and draw a vertical line. Click and drag towards right side to make copy. Press Ctrl+D to make multiple copies. Having all lines selected, right-click, hover over Transform, and then choose Rotate. Rotate at 90-degree angle. Again right-click, Transform, and click on Rotate. Place the value 60, and click on Copy to make a copy at 60°. Once again right-click, hover on Transform, and choose Reflect. Take a copy at 90°. Swap the color, choose Shape Builder 2, combine the boxes until you get the desired result. Once completed, move your logo toward right side, and delete unnecessary lines. Select the logo and expand it. Then go to Windows, choose Pathfinder, and click on Unite button. Copy your logo. Open your PSD Logo Mockup file, and paste inside it. It's done. So that was the logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator and putting the logo inside the logo mockup. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.